I added eggs to the cabbage. Now, I won't eat it any other way. Here, I'm using a cabbage. I'll cut it in half. Now, with half the cabbage, we'll slice it into thin strips. Then we'll transfer everything to a bowl. Next, we'll add 3 eggs. I'll season with black pepper, salt, and sweet paprika. Then we'll mix it all thoroughly. After that, we'll set it aside and prepare a skillet. We'll brush it with margarine or butter. I'm using the Poor Man's Kitchen stone pan. To get one, click the link in the description or comments. Now let's add all our cabbage mix. We'll spread it evenly in the pan. Now cover and let it cook. Once the egg sets, we'll loosen and flip it using the lid. After flipping, I'll add some mozzarella on top. I'll finish with a sprinkle of oregano. Now cover and let the cheese melt. Look at this amazing cabbage pizza, everyone. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Perfect for dinner or as a snack. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. A big hug to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.